Okay, let's see if I can take down Ryan. We are having the Vengeance Showdown. Vengeance returns. House shot. The seniors are bold on it, so there's quite a bit more carry down than normal. We've just changed oil to use the new Kegel oil. Oh, we're off to a start. Right there, baby. Yes, Ryan. One hand. Thumb.
Vengeance Pearl match against the old head of Beef and Barnzy, Stu Williams. No warm-up shots. All day, Stu. All damn day.
It's another one. Ooh. Off to a flyer. Let's go. Gotta get ahead.
Stu's in so much trouble. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This is a tough day for Stu. This isn't Louisville anymore. We're at Plano. I might have a 30-bagger.
I have to beat Ryan. I barely beat him at all this tour season. So I've got to beat him. Got to win. It's the first one in a series. It's not going to be a very long series if I lose. Got to get the win. Got to get it. Whew. 3 in a row, 3-bagger. We got the triple before we got an open.
Stu's gonna get flashbacks of tour with this. Immediately misses.
Yeah, that's what she did.
That's karma. That's karma. Oh, I think I might be out of count.
What do we think Ryan's going to shoot? I'm thinking he's going to post like a 268. Ooh. I really like this one.
Hopefully I'm not out of wood already. Stu does shoot 300 in these ball videos a lot. Gonna have to move. Oh boy. Vengeance Pearl, baby. This ball's actually kind of sneaking up on me a little bit.
Where's it going to fit? It's going to be right below my Bionic. So when Bionic gets to be a little chuggy down the lane, doesn't really get through the front part of the lane enough, this is where the returns is going to thrive.
First Vengeance was really slow. This one's pretty quick. I mean, for me, not for Stu, obviously, because balls don't look quick for him. I have no words, Stu. You're in trouble. Turns out he's got the front 8.
The smoother Vengeance core didn't really work for me with the super strong cover. Vengeance was just never really going to replace phase 2 in my bag. It was just, I just didn't feel like I had enough axis rotation to use it. This one, on the other hand, with this new combination with the quicker cover, I like it a lot. Hybrid, shiny, quick. Gotta hurry. Ooh. Oh, Ryan. Ryan. Is that the front 5? It's the front 5.
He's probably wrap 10 by now. Sorry, flat 10, says Kevin. No break? That's so unlucky. Should I be a house toe and just hook at it? Yeah. We're bowling stew here. Almost missed that.
Come on, take us into the commercial break. That was pretty pure, Ryan. That was pretty pure. Oh, I apologize. I miscounted. That's 7. Can't count.
Yeah, fouls don't count in pot bowling. I'm filming it for my channel, so it's my rules. Suck it, Stu.
7 bagger. Front 7. Ooh. 8 in a row, baby. All right. Come on, finish out 9th and 10th.
All right, I got 257 left, kind of. Fakely, not really, but it's fine. Not good.
So Stu's whooping you?
Stu's beating my butt. I tried to get a little slower with that one, like let it see the lane. It saw the lane. It saw the lane. It saw the lane. Well, I need to make this. That's actually just immediate karma for trying to take the foul.
Can we finish out the 9th and 10th right here? It's what we need to do. I feel like I need at least 2. At least 2 more strikes. Come on. Front 9. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ryan, you are in trouble.
Yeah, 225 might be enough against Stu. You never know. Let's lock in. I'm gonna have to move a bunch though. Oh. I won! Stu, when's the last time you sent a messenger like that? I feel like this is more of a pick on Stu video than a Vengeance Pro ball review. It's fine. It's fine. He'll be okay with it.
Oh no. I didn't think that one was gonna get up, but that is 10. 10. 10. Let's go. Front 10. What can I tell you, Ryan? Some of us are better on YouTube videos than they are on the PBA Tour. I mean, I know which one pays better, and it ain't the YouTube videos. Here we go. Can't be shut out. I am perfect. Yes, Ryan.
Probably already dead, but. Stu, I hope you shot 224. You know, I really do. God, dude, that was nasty. That was in all of the shim. Let's try and get a little further right, huh? All day, Stu. All right, one good one. Beat that, Stu, beat that. I don't think 225 is enough, but Vengeance Pearl. Wow, does it hook? Go get yours. I don't know when it comes out, but Stu and I will talk about it. And like and subscribe.
I don't really have anything else I could compare it to. I probably should have brought the Phase 2 Pearl, but I'm just excited. I won the first attempt in this new series, so take that, Ryan. B from BArnzy channel 1, BArnzy channel 0.